Welcome back, everybody. You've seen this guy already today, and thanks for joining us again for
Glad
Dollars
to be
and
back.
Cents. Tell us how to make a ton of money and keep it.
Yeah. Let's see.
Just in a nutshell, how do we do that?
In a nutshell.
How do we do that?
Break it down for me, Bruce.
Adopt a rich uncle.
Or if you're 21, you could marry rich.
That's right.
You know.
There you go.
Why just if you're 21?
I don't know. You always see that on TV, like a Hugh Hefner type, you know.
Oh, yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
Bruce, I have a stupid question now for you for the estate planning. I know you and Will Worsham, we talked about it earlier. You do these great sessions the third Tuesday of every month, correct?
Right.
Here's what I would think. If I was sitting at home and you say estate planning, here's what I think. I don't have enough money to estate plan. Do you have to have a lot of money in the bank to come see you and be like, I need to estate plan?
No, believe it or not, we all have an estate plan.
We do?
Yeah.
We do. Yeah, we do.
We do?
Hey, do you? I don't. Do you?
I didn't think
We
I
do.
did.
It's called probate.
Oh.
So if you own a vehicle, if you own property, if you own possessions, you have something that you, I guess, would want to pass it on to someone else in the event you're not here tomorrow morning.
Right.
So a lot of people say, how do I even start? Because we've kind of talked about that. People don't plan because they don't know where to start, they don't know who to talk to, and they're scared of the price.
Yeah, that's true.
That's the first thing. I'm just not sure how much money I can spend on that. That's not the point. The point is getting information so you can make an informed choice.
And that's why this is working so good for you and Will.
That's important. That's exactly right. I'm not going to charge somebody to give them practical advice about organizing their information and their picture of their assets. You could have a very small estate with only maybe a niece or a nephew. Well, if you want that to go to them seamlessly without a lot of problems, without a lot of frustration, because you're not going to be here, remember?
Yeah.
Right.
You're gone. So if you want to make it easy for them to just take it, your possessions, assets, then you need to do some type of planning. And that's where Will is very good about letting people know. You may not need a full-blown trust. You may not need all these things with bells and whistles, but you may need just a few documents to accomplish what you want. And he is gracious enough to, and we know he's as honest as the day is
He
long.
really is. He is.
And
Yeah.
he will tell you, you don't really need that, you need this. And I pride myself doing the same thing. We work very well together because a lot of people come to me with financial questions, and some people I can help, some people don't need help. They just need to be assured that they're doing the right thing, keep doing what you're doing. And we're both willing to do that, and it works very well in the setting that we've got. Very low key, no more than an hour from start to finish, because it's not brain surgery.
Yeah.
Right?
And you're there to help people.
And you cannot answer all the questions people have in one short session. So we give you information about the process and about where to start, how to begin, and really it's just sit down, organize your thoughts, and try to get some practical advice on what you should do.
When's your next get-together, you and Will?
23rd at 6 o'clock
there
at
it is on the
the
screen,
Resource
yes.
Center office, 1304 East Kingsley. And we've got some slots available. And if this one fills up, we're going to have another one, I believe, in December.
Perfect.
Right before the end of the year. Will's going to be gone next month in China, eating snakes.
I know, he does
always
that.
does
He
that.
does that.
Yeah.